Hello friends and assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Devinshal. Like previously we have done many of the things related to HTML and CSS and I hope you all enjoy that. So today also we will be just covering HTML and CSS project. So today I will show you how to build a drop down menu in HTML and CSS and this video will be really helpful. So see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to build drop down menu in HTML and CSS. And this video in this video I will be telling you all the things from start to end related to drop down menu and how to build drop down menu, because in previous videos I have telling you how to build navbar but I have not telling you how to build drop down in that. But now today I will be telling you how to build a drop down menu simply in navbar, because in some website when we just go in e-commerce website also when we hover on any of like navbar options, so we are getting whole drop down like what accessories you want and things like that. You can put your own things in your drop down menu you want to put, but I will be showing you how to put and what things you can put in that. So this will be really helpful and start to end you have to see this video. And if you have enjoyed and understanding from this video, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn how to build these amazing things with HTML and CSS, and they can also become full stack you can say coder of HTML and CSS. So just now we will be starting with our drop down menu. I have telling you we will be just building a drop down menu in HTML and CSS. So now we have to start to build. So for building that, just you have to open your text editor which is called Sublime Text. Like previously we have worked with our Sublime Text editor, because previously we are just working when we were just working with HTML and CSS we were using only one text editor which is called Sublime Text Editor, but there are many various text editor you can use. But like previously we have done Sublime Text and it is totally for beginners, so we will be starting from there. So I'll be simply opening my Sublime Text Editor. Here I will be building two new files, so just you have to take two new files from here, then you can give any of the names. So here I build these two files. So here I build these two files because I've just now saved these two files here with the codes which I am having. Now I will be saving two new files again on desktop with the different names. So here you have to just give the name of this file, like we are building a drop down menu. So here I'll be getting drop.html, then I'll be going to this untitled, and here I will be giving the name of drop down drop.css. Now just you have to press desktop and save it on desktop, because here you have to save your HTML file there where you are saving your CSS file, and both files will be saved on same location so they can link with each other. And remember one thing, that if you are saving your both files in one folder, so you have to also define the path of the folder. And my opinion is not to save in folder, just save in one location like in local disk D or C, so it will be easy for you to just define the path and link of your style sheet. So I'll be saving this file now. So I've saved these all files on my desktop, so it will be easy for me to open and just show you. So here I will be opening my drop.html, which is now totally empty because I'm getting nothing here. You can also see it is totally empty file here. We are getting nothing here at the right side and it is totally empty. So here now we have to go to our HTML file which is called drop.html, and where here we have to just create some of the starting tags of HTML like we have done previously. So here I have to create first of all this HTML. Here I'll be pressing enter. All the starting code has been appeared. Then you can write this title over here. So the title, you can write any title you want to write, but now we will be just changing this title and I will be giving the title of you can say drop down. Okay, so here I'll be writing drop down menu. You can give the title like this. So when you've given the title here drop down menu, here you have to do one thing, just save this file by pressing Ctrl S, reload. You can see now our title has been changed into drop down menu. Here you have to move to this index.html and you can see we are getting these codes here. So like that you have to just write. So I am telling you here totally for beginners. So here I'll be copying this and pasting on my HTML file. Here we are getting paste. You can see these codes you have to write here. So first of all you have to define UN means unordered list, and then in that you have to make a list tag in which you have to write home about services. So here I'll be writing home means H will be capital. Here we have written li, then we have made again an order list in which we have written to li means it is for drop down. And if I scroll down, so we are getting again the text like we want. And remember one thing, when you are writing anything, its first letter should be capital in navbar, so it can just indicate that this is a navbar option which you are writing. And you can see I've put unordered list again I will be taking it back because it is really confusing if I just showing you like this. And I will be setting my code so it will be easy for you to understand what I have done. So now I've again opened this UL. You can see I've opened this UL here. Then again I've opened UL and closing here. So this is the UL which I have closed. Then I have again make this li tag and I have closed here. So this is the thing which I have done here. And if I show you here, you can see. So then in the end I have closed this UL tag which I have opened here, means here you can see. So when you are getting, just you have to press save button, reload here. You can see we are getting the things like we have put home, about, services here, then marketing design in li, means in our list, and then we are getting web, graphic, interior, which we will be getting in our drop down menu. So when you've written these all things, now we will be getting drop down menu in services, means when I will be hovering on services, so these two menus will be appearing. And I have also indicated with the help of this points, you can see its points are white but every point are having black, and this interior will also be getting one drop down menu which is called branding, and it is also, you can see it is having a white color. You can say that point in white color points, these are drop down menus, means when we will be hovering on services we will be getting marketing and design, and when we will be just hovering on brand interior, so we will be getting branding. So like that we are getting the things. Now here if I go to my CSS file, now we have to style that, but before styling that we have to link our style sheet. So when we writing the codes in our CSS file, so it should be appearing on my browser. So here you have to just link here by writing link tag, write link tag. You have to just write the name of your link style sheet which is called drop.css. Here you can see this is our file, and reload. Nothing happens because we have written nothing in our CSS file, just we have linked it. Now when you've saved, and just you have to move to your style.css, means the file which I have created previously. Copy this and just I'll be pasting here in my drop down in drop.css. Just I'll be now saving this file, and you can see here at the starting we are getting this margin, means margin I put 0, and padding is also 0 here because I don't want margin and padding from above and left side. I have put in the body, like I have put the background size, and then the background image I want to put, means the background image at the back. If you want to put, you can do, but I think I should remove that because I don't want the background image should be coming here. I only want my navbar should be designed and it should be not having background image, because I've telling in many videos how to put background image, and I've also telling you how to style and fixed its background attachment. You can see we have just put the background size and things. If you don't want to put, you can erase these all things from here, but I think I don't want to erase that because I want to show you the step which I have done to make this navbar and to make this drop down menu. So here we are getting the wrapper, means we have just wrapped that with the help of our width, and then we have just put this class. You can see this is the class which we are getting of wrapper, so we have put that, and then we have worked. So here if I move to index.html, here you can see this is the class which we have put here, and here I will be doing one thing. I have to copy this class also so I can get things in my class. So here I'll be moving to drop down HTML and pasting here, so I can get my class also. Paste here. Now you can see I'm getting my class here. So here I will be now pressing backspace here, so I can just style that, means I can set my code again. So here I will be now moving down. So here I will be now moving down here, then you have to move down here, just you have to like that. I will be moving down, and when you've done that, just you have to move down here and then here. Now you can see I have just styled that, and now my codes are set. Save here, and now you have to reload simply. You can see we are getting our navbar, and like I'm telling you in the drop down list, we are getting the things like we want drop, like we have put the class of wrapper, and we have designed that with the help of our background color. I put width, border, height, the things which we want here. Then the font family are Poppins here. If you want to put any other font family, you can put here, but here this font family is not working, so here I'll be writing Poppins, sans serif. Save, reload. You can see now it has changed into Poppins. So like that you can change its font family also, and then you can change this text transform to uppercase. Then you can change this font weight to bold, and then you can also see this wrapper ULLI hover effect we are getting of crimson. Then if I show you, we are getting display none in UL, and the hover effect here which we have put on our navbar are like I put display block means it should be display in one line, then the wrapper I've put of margin left and it should be having position of absolute. So like that I've built, and if I show you on services we are getting the menu, and if I just hover on design, so we'll be getting another menu. You can see how good looking is that. We are getting our menu like we want in services. It is our drop down menu which we have made successfully. So like that you can build your own drop down menu here in HTML and CSS, and it is really easy to make, not really big deal to make a drop down list, and it is really simple, and really simple steps are here to build this drop down list. So I hope you understand how to build a drop down menu in HTML and CSS, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn. Just I'll be meeting you next project on next video. So for today, goodbye.